This song features one chord pattern. We'll start on a D flat, F A for 2 measures. Take it up to an E flat, G, B flat for 2 measures. Then a C7, C, E, G, B flat. Takes 4 fingers here. C, E, G, B flat. And then we'll go to an F minor, F, A flat, C. E flat major again, E flat, G, B flat. And restart. Those last 2 chords happen for half as long as the first 3. In one hand, starting on D flat major, that chord pattern could look like this. Each chord gets 2 measures, except for the final 2. 1, 2, 3, ready, and 1, 2, 3. E flat, C7, F minor, E flat, repeat. D flat for 2 measures, E flat for 2 measures, C7, F minor, repeat. In 2 hands, that chord pattern could look and sound like this, starting on C sharp. In 2 hands, that chord pattern could look like this, starting on D flat major. Ready, and D